Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in front of you HP Deskjet 2632 printer. The issues with this printer is not picking up the paper very well. Okay, if I will give copy command or print test page from computer, you can see. Okay, gave copy command, you can see it's feeding the paper and getting stuck in the middle. It's not feeding well. So how to fix this problem? Today I will teach you. Stay with me, watch the complete video. This this happens due to something fallen from the paper path over here. So we have to find out what is the exact thing fallen over and how to clean the paper path and what is the procedures you have to consider. First of all, turn off the power of printer. And you have to try to find look over here if you can find it. Otherwise you have to lift it up like this, and there are two locks in the downside. Remove this tape and open this lock. Okay, it should something over here. I found this hairpin was inside over here, stuck in the middle. So this was creating the problem to avoiding the paper to feed well. I will turn the back cover off. We'll close the front cover also, and we'll connect the power to make sure again is it feeding well or not. It's initializing and printer is started. We will print test page, information page, and we will see is it feeding or not. And you can see it's feeding the paper right now. Okay, it's feeding the paper and there is no more issue. Again I will tell you, any deskjet printer you have and it's getting stuck the paper or not feeding well, first of all you have to clear the paper path, see anything fallen from here. If you couldn't find anything from here, you have to open these two locks over there and try to get something from here, and hopefully you will release the something and it will work again. If you have any other question regarding any printer, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.